Let me show you how we can fix the missing LHDC option in Bluetooth settings on Redmi Note 15 Pro and 15 Pro Plus. So what you're gonna do is, if you go to the settings of your Bluetooth device and in properties you don't have LHDC, even though you are supposed to have it, the reason why you don't have it might be an app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device, essentially. So in my case, I have this high definition sound option, which I actually need to turn on in order to be able to use LHDC. Because if it's disabled, there we go, now it's on. If it's disabled, then I won't have the option to use it. But if it's on, now as you can see, I can easily enable LHDC. So you want to check settings of the app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device, like sound quality settings or something like that. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.